Initial footsteps, being a 2-year journey of creativity, I have finally come to a close, with the top 4 concepts, and now they can rest as informative scriptings to best indicate their intent and forecast their potential based off the general understanding and comprehension from their content. The next leg of the journey is to maintain my educational status and attendance so I can use learnt material from university to prove feasibility of any of the top 4 concepts, allowing me to take action to compile the most feasible option, then to move forward with construction and govern the health of that business into the future or until a sales point potentially has been reached. If the initial project proves to be valid with all indicators and economic markets are stable, this will indicate promise for the development of any other concept of the top 4, providing that calculation sums are adequate to proceed. My initial idea was to maintain a pool fund to support the development of any other of the top 4 concepts, but this runs at an optimal pace when or if all top 4 concepts are up and functional with consumers taking in the produce of the concepts. Marketing will play its part so that citizens can be informed of Fresh's produce and potentially cheaper fuels. When it comes to cheaper fuels, this is not in my control as I am only a potential supplier of fresh rainwater at the most. For hydrogen fuels, the manufacturing of hydrogen fuels goes to more specialized people that have been working on the hydrogen products for many years and are looking to make their mark in the economy, just as I am. So in summary, never forget that the top 4 concepts is like any other product on the market. At some stage in its life, it started off as a potential product and had to be found feasible and a valid product with its main purpose to turn money into a profitable business via the sale of that product. With Ocean Fish Farms, the core fish is red emperor. Ocean Fish Farms will never achieve its life goal if it cannot maintain export to third world nations. Fair enough, we can divulge on fish as a nation, but during our evolution as a people we tend to look to nations without such luxuries, and tend to carry ourselves in a more modern and astute way rather than to stuff our faces with fish and watch the world starve. So with that, Ocean Fish Farms at the moment has a top-down approach to third world nations with the dispersal of red emperor across third world nation lands, and over time we may be able to increase export so that it eventually saturates into the people of those lands.